Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in a group online. First, select a video conferencing tool that works well for everyone, like Zoom or Google Meet. Next, define your group's objectives and create a consistent study schedule. This helps keep everyone on track and ensures productive sessions. Finally, consider assigning roles, such as a note-taker or a timekeeper, to maintain organization and engagement throughout your online study sessions. To collaborate effectively, leverage shared online documents for notes and brainstorming. Tools like Google Docs allow everyone to contribute simultaneously, making revision easy. Use screen sharing to walk through complex problems or review specific sections of material. Remember to encourage active participation from all members and foster a respectful environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas and asking questions. To maximize your online study sessions, break down large topics into smaller, digestible segments. This approach makes the material less overwhelming and easier to discuss. Integrate short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to help everyone stay refreshed and focused. Conclude each session by reviewing the key concepts covered, ensuring that everyone has a solid understanding of the material before moving on. Online group study can present challenges, but they are manageable. Address any technical issues quickly to avoid interruptions. A quick sound check before starting helps. Establish clear ground rules for discussions to ensure everyone feels heard and respected. If conflicts arise, resolve them constructively. Finally, offer and receive feedback to continuously improve your group's dynamics and enhance the overall learning experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.